see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah, we alone.
So we there again. One more deer with me. So, watch him. So for today, I want to do normal day. The money can look on bed and say, Lord God, see your bed not prep for money. No. We wake up late. And now I'm in the vomit this morning. Not really vomit, but I think she overeat this morning also. So we're just there. Just a chill. And there they watch our movie. And made the Nyla here, but she pull up here. She pull up her here. I'm gonna try to catch it even. Top turn, let me see something. If I look on the back one higher than one, but I don't mind. I'm still get all the crew. Do up, you know? Yes, ma'am and sirs. So me there. Nisha come in with a little thing and I kinda like it still. You know, it just drop fit right now. I can't all the crystal pattern and thing. You can put the little thing them over it. You don't know. So all Nyla do I make up a nice place. So right now, and the key shine my follow. So right now me there. Right, honestly me just there, they go and chill. Pull out me your man. Nyla. And so I say, you know, I just take it time and see I can look about some steamed veg and some dumpling and banana and seasoning. So yeah, so I kind of perk up my liquor thing them as already. You know, I'm gonna go buy cabbage and you know, and piece of saltfish. You know, that right, some dumplings, some banana and something, you know. Remember last time I think when we look about the brown stew chicken the last time I Mike when look about the theme brown stew chicken and this I come from nowhere, but just as me I talk about that I remember it. And me have somebody message me like them I say yo. Say you that what kind of cooking them the top come on YouTube can disgrace yourself. You say you can't cook. One woman said that to me. And one next woman come up and like him and say, what kind of mother may have, what kind of mother teach him if he cook like that. But me I say, oh, like, what? Right there and then everything just turn right round and I say, look on them and idiot. You say, them don't know nothing. And them don't know if you cooking. But the idea so everybody do their thing different. Everybody mix their flour different. Everybody cook their rice different. Everybody do everything different. So let me say I run go up on the road and come back with me same way so. Probably I go up on the road some police lock me up. But don't let badness come down. I'll see you guys in a bit. Tired man. yo, that's my last vlog if you really name Lulus husband. Gotcha. So I forgot for showing so see there. This base well you know fully finalized it. Going on full walk-in. So this is the bathroom, yeah? Full walk-in. Full walk-in. You know? So for this how in there, which we still try to get something to put crosses so we can put up whatever we have put up. But Nyla, be careful. So we still have some tile for drop one here so we kind of cover up this like. Oh. Like this one. Bathroom. Call this a there, you know? You see me? It's a light here and liquor. Nice. One thing, like, boom. I don't know, no member which one I there with that day. Time here and just go up on the road, see me, say, you see me? So, don't cook. And everything. Oh, I think Nisha ain't showing the back. Yeah, so, after we're done clean up the place. But see place here now. After everything move. But it's kind of cold, you know, but for uno me come out here and I call. You know? So a place look after. So you must say this kind of clean up and stuff, but you don't know anything come down. Liquor by liquor. Take up my Nyla. But let's see if I can come from this side and go now. A quick look, you know. Well, yeah, I look liquor from here, so, but still, a whole heap of yard space there. A whole heap of yard space. Yeah, it's a full backyard. So I want a fence for this, but this I wish I would clean up. I don't know what they say. I just one bag, but yeah. Oh. So as I say, come here, sir. I try to straighten up and I say, and I see more. Well, me done straighten up. Just to move back them chair and so, cause I don't know pitney tan. See, I laugh at this. And them start ramping up, man. Oh Jesus, everywhere. So I just straighten up in there, so I've got beard Nyla, you know, still. So dumpling and everything and yam, pumpkin, and so I try to get banana, but I don't know, couldn't get none. Yeah, some steamed veg, some saltfish, sea bream, the beard Nyla, and then I come do and straighten up in our room. So I want to see everything set for me throughout the day. You know, Nyla do all of them and take, because it's stuff them in there on this, but you don't want them for saying just take them and dash them all about. So go be there, put on some clothes, then straighten up the room and all of that. So man might say what time of day now as you get a clean room, I'm not lucky. I'm not laddie. Mama, time to bed. Okay? Oh, as I'm showing us, I'm doing Nyla here this morning, even though I didn't want me to do it, but I was persistent. I'm like, no, me, I got do your ear today. So, you don't know anything come on. But check in back here, be a Nyla and change the camera battery. Boo-doo-doo, we're out. So, just done there. Yeah, a quick lotion up on thing, eh? Move my little lotion and give my little leg massage, you know? Massage her leg them. See trouble part, you know? See, let's be. Come, look.
Okay.
Tell me I'll get some trouble, you know. Come, put it on. Put it on yourself.
Okay.
Go Nyla, go Nyla, go Nyla, yeah! Come stand up. Let me help you. Let Dada help you. Okay, so last part of my day now. Fix up another room here. See badness. And you probably ask, what kind of badness? And I see a house chore. House chore. Yeah, but it's what it is. But I have a problem for do it, because at least the idea me I do it for my family, and my youth. You see, badness. And I like say me I do it for somebody who I don't know what go on. Yeah. Polly always say, make sure you don't come out of the yard and the bed in pretty, you know? And then some of the time you just hurry do it and just shut out the yard. You know, so when you come on weekend, you know, them the time they have fear time because no school now once you don't know say a yearly time that you just do what you did, you know, enjoy yourself. The time you wake up at like 10, 11 o'clock on weekend. Not Saturday, because Saturday I want to do a Polly always say, yo, you have to get up from 7 o'clock and start wash. So then I normally wash me school clothes. This time I used to wash my clothes, but like going out clothes and I wash them, Polly wash them. But Polly always teach you if you make sure weekend time at them day, at that day they have few day if you sit down and wash your clothes. So Saturday I always get up like all I say 7 in the morning or 6 in the morning, catch, go pipe. Yo, I tell you say like back then, like I look at it now, it was rough, but I like for me enjoy. You see me, because I have to get up and grab me 2 jug them and run the pipe and full up me 2 jug them and come up back and throw it in the bath. All a 3 chip. Full up my bath and I have to have me wash, me rinse and me leather. Yeah. That's it? Wash, rinse and leather. Yeah. So 3 baths, you know, say you soap up one, you fab out one and you understand? So it's like you don't do anything, say. No, somebody probably not even know all of them sitting there, but when I say that still, I always have to make sure you say have all of your water ready. All of your water them ready, so that means say once the washing starts, there's no stopping. Yeah, because when I say stopping, I mean like no stop none at all. You're not supposed to top say I will catch water already snack, you already sort out your pan them and everything already, isn't it? And when I wash, Polly I say me up. How many are here in a script? And then when I wash it off to make sure you see I hear it script, you know? And they reach at the point that she always say yeah, so like you close them clean, so like them I wash good, you know? But and then after me done that, I have to go pin out my clothes them on the line. You know? And I have some neighbors to my time them pass and I say, well Ziggy your white them look clean, you know? I say, what you mean? But Saturday I normally do all I work, isn't it? Because for that day the same way. After I done wash and so, then I have to go and go prep bed. You see me, once all of my work done, then I'm good to go. And then at that time she say, oh, when they're done prep and come out, you can't make Polly go in there as you know, ring clean I did or one side up or one side down, because I say that then they're pretty then already. You get me? So listen, but then some of the time I normally complain. You see me, I say, oh, me do it later man, cause but a good thing when I take out of it is that it teach me or me learn. You see me, because at this point, you know, when you reach all at a certain level, like you can't do a thing and tell me say you do good. If me look on you and say, oh, no, that's not right. You see me? The next thing I probably have to say to him, probably have to say, youth, you see, any woman you are going to deal with, if they don't have respect for their mother and they don't have respect for their father, take a second guess about the relationship. They will depends upon what go on, but overall if they just not respect, like they just deal with them people anyway if not at all, take a second guess, cause just like how they deal for them parents, you can look forward to saying go they will deal with your parents same way in the business. You get me? So I always look on and say, yo, if a woman and a man has still mother, you can't get for me respect or for me to say, yeah, I don't want it in my life or no matter what. You could have pretty like money, you could have pretty like a, I don't know, you could have do the world for me. Because yeah, I did me care me other end, I hear the rough my mother and I think because you probably disrespect my mother see me. And then I have to go, you know. Do I have to look at me now? Go make nobody can disrespect my mother just so. You get what I say? Don't know that's here come down. You need. So. Jano. Why is it different? Come, put on socks. Pitney! So, as one you can see, me just start on Nyla. You understand? So yeah, there's me the feed here, I don't know what I go on. As I'm saying, time Nisha come in now, and my break time. I get my break from day because Nyla and sleep from day. And me plan to put her to sleep now, but it don't make no sense because if she go sleep now, you know, go sleep later. So, no, mama. Dirty?
Okay.
Leave that.
It's dirty.
Yeah, leave it there.
It's dirty.
If you go sleep now, you not sleep later. So right now, I have to go try occupying time. Because I know he probably soon start getting miserable. So anything you want, I have to just make him play with you right now. Because as I'm saying, if you go sleep now, I know he not go. I know when he wake up back a little more, a problem to put him back to sleep. So right now, I have to go just go and kick it back with her until Nisha come. You see me? And then when she go sleep later, hopefully she don't get up no time in the night. Yeah. Anyway, still big up yourself.
You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you.